Because you're here on this page, you're likely a teacher or an administrator, a professor, a teaching assistant, a counselor, an educator. And because you're here right now, you're likely experiencing or anticipating a significant disruption in the way that you communicate and connect with your peers, with your students, with their parents, and all the other people critical to the education process. And we're here to help. My name is Ethan Butte, Chief Evangelist here at BombBomb. And at BombBomb, we believe in you. You matter. Who you are matters. Your success as an educator is built on relationships. So instead of exclusively relying on plain typed out text and other faceless digital communication to connect and communicate with people that you need to build relationship with, we want you to stay face-to-face even when you can't be there in person. BombBomb is a team of about 150 people based in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and we have a community of nearly 50,000 customers spread all over the world, but primarily in the United States and Canada, who use our software to easily record and send video messages in place of some of their plain typed out text. These casual conversational videos don't require any lights or scripts or editing or production. They're simple webcam videos recorded and sent to one person or a couple people or to a list of people in order to create this little in-person moment. So as the in-school or on-campus experience is disrupted, you can still be more personal and more human. You can still stay face-to-face. We would love for you to join these 50,000 people in our community. Absolutely free, no strings attached. We believe in you. We believe in your work, and we know how important relationships are to your successful outcomes. That's why we'd love for you to sign up right now, right here on this page, absolutely free, so you can reach out to your peers, your students, their parents, and other people in a more personal and more human way.